Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. I am Sundrit Hajra. Today I'm going to show you how to use Notepad. So before starting, let's know what is Notepad. Notepad is a text editor which is an app specialized in editing plain text. It can edit text files which bears the txt file name extension and compatible formats such as batch files, ini files and log files. Notepad can read and write plain text enclosed in ASCII or UTF-8 and UTF-16. So that was all about Notepad. So before starting, let me show you a file which starts in Notepad. So this is the thing. These are my some blueprints of a game. So you can see this is one of my blueprints. This is a blueprint. You can see this blueprint opens in Notepad, and this is a very important blueprint which helps me to edit my text. So let's close this. So let's open Notepad now. So this is our Notepad. Simply first untitle Notepad at the title bar, and then comes our file. Before we start, let's type something. So I've written here India is great. So in file you have got new window, open, save as. At this part, let's try with new. In new you can open a new document like this, but you should save it first, otherwise it will be deleted and the new document will be created in the same window. But in new window you can get a new window without saving the previous window, or you can just go and search for Notepad, and you can open another one. Okay, next comes this open. So you can open previous Notepad files from your folder, but you have to save your changes first and it will take you to a folder. Okay. Okay, then comes save. In the save, you can save your document simply, and in save as you can rename and save your document. And in page setup, you can set up the page size, which can be A4 or later, or you can edit the source. I don't have any more options. So here you got orientation, portrait or landscape, and then comes this margins in millimeters actually. I did to 25, this also 25, top 30, 30. Okay, nice. And this also you can edit with numbers, millimeters actually, but I don't need this, so let's close this. Then comes print. These two are of same types actually. You can set up your page and print it. And to print, you will have to select your printer and all of this, or you can just click Ctrl+P, or you can exit Notepad like this. No need to save, but I will don't close this now. Okay, this is edit. In edit you can undo but not redo, and this is cut, copy, paste, delete, and these things need no introduction. This is search with Bing. Bing is a search engine of Microsoft, and then comes find, but it is actually disabled right now. Okay, next comes find. In find you can find any letter or any word. Let's find our S. It cannot find because this is selected downwards. Let's select upwards. Yes, it can see this S. Or you can just go to edit and click on find next, but I don't have any more S and it has to be downwards. Okay, then comes find previous, and you can find previous one. Wait just a second, I am just using S at here and S before also. Let's edit this, find previous. See, this is finding previous S, and let's find next. This is finding this one, and again next. This is finding this one. Okay, then comes this replace. So to replace it, you need to select here actually, and then go to this replace and select the letter, find what, and this one, and replace with A. And you can find next also if there is next S, or you can simply replace this or replace all of them. I don't have any more S, so I cannot replace anything else. Let's cancel this now and bring this back to normal. So next comes this select all, or you can just press simply Ctrl plus A, and then go to or you can insert time and date. It will be always perfect. See, it's 516, and it is also written 516, and nothing more in this edit. Next comes format. In format, you've got word wrap and font. You can change your font. You've got raw word wrap, which doesn't seem to give any effect to our text right now. So this comes font. You can simply change your font to let's use Calbd or Old English. This one. I really like Old English. And nothing more in format. Next comes view. You can zoom out or out. You can zoom in, out, or default. Default is actually 0. Let's zoom in, or you can just Ctrl plus Ctrl minus, or you can bring back to normal view. Normal view is really small. Okay, this is status bar. This one in the bottom. You can close this also with just a click. And next is help. Okay, so let's now save our document. Save as. Wait. Okay, let's close this and now. So that was all for today. Hope you liked this video and learned something new, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also check out our another videos, and more updates will be coming soon. So the video ends. Thanks for watching.